let's talk about the 5900X is not the most powerful chip that they unveiled at the product launch. It's the 5950X, and this baby has 16 cores and 32 threads with a base clock of 3.4 and a boost clock of, wait for it, 4.9 gigahertz. My god.
Oh,
In bro,
I want to see
4.
processor beat the 5 gigahertz mark.
Yeah, that'll happen when they move to 5 nanometer, I believe. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that will happen when AMD or at least Intel will not move to 5 nanometer in the next 7 years. Aram se.
75 years.
Oh my god. But yeah,
Our editor Vedas, he shared a joke that day. He, two people come back from time travel.
Oh, yeah, they try.
And they're like, what year it is? And he asks
That was
someone
hilarious.
what process is Intel using, and he says 14 nanometer, and he comes back, I have no clue.
Oh my god. Too good. That was really funny. Good one.
That was really nice.
But yeah, the 5950X, which is Ryzen's new flagship processor, is priced at $800, $799. 16 cores, 32 threads, boost clock of 4.9, which is insane because if you think about it, sustaining an all-core frequency of 4.9, my god. So I'm going to explain to you what all-core and single-core performance is.
Actually, that's really important because
so sorry. I should give
like
some
if you have
context.
16 cores, that is 16 times a difference single core. Or
Absolutely. So when a company says that their chip has a base clock of 3.4 gigahertz, it means that all their cores, for example, 16 in the 5950X, 16 core will run at 3.4 gigahertz at all times. Minimum load
unless it's thermal throttling.
Unless it's thermal throttling. Yeah, good point.
We won't go into that for obvious reasons.
नहीं, so वो लोग बस ये बोल रहे हैं कि under normal conditions, room temperature, whatever you're doing, our chips, our cores, our 16 cores will not go below 3.4 gigahertz, which is crazy because my laptop's peak speed, my laptop's boost clock is 3.9. So that's an insane number if you think about it. और वो भी 16 core में जो heat dissipation होता है वो, I mean AMD के लिए it's much better because of 7 nanometer again, but there's a lot of heat, but they still are saying कि 3.4 gigahertz से नीचे नहीं जाएगा. And when they say कि हमारा boost clock is 4.9, they are saying कि under maximum load, our all 16 cores can run at 4.9 gigahertz at a sustained
Did they mention
level.
all 16 cores? Usually boost clock single core hota hai, right? Like companies try and do that marketing shenanigan. They just say ki the boost clock is,
that's right. Actually,
the boost clock is 4.9 gigahertz and just a single core can achieve
single core can. Oh, that's right. Of course, मेरे laptop को ऐसे ही they said कि it has a boost of 4.1, but
Intel is notorious for doing that.
Intel is notorious for doing that. I thought कि these guys. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if it's like, I don't know if AMD means that all 16 cores will go at 4.9 or only one core will go at 4.9 or only the performance cores
16 cores at 4.
will go at 4.9. Yeah,
that would have made a lot of news.
I agree. Yeah, because that's an insane amount of power. 4.9 solar core. By baza ke idhar. So yeah, I'm assuming that's the case also. So when companies say कि हमारा processor will go at 4.9 gigahertz under maximum pressure, maximum load, they mean कि हमारा एक core 4.9 sustain करेगा और बाकी जो cores है they will stay below 4.9 but not too far away, like 4.5. बाकी के जो 15 core है, बाकी 15 core 4.5.
Super fast.
Yeah, which is still very fast. My God, it's too powerful, man, too powerful. And yeah, I mean, I think you're right when you say कि Intel is very notorious for doing that because उन्होंने बोला कि 10900K का peak frequency is 5.3 and that can't.
And there's no way सारा course में 5.3. Like I haven't read the spec sheet, but it is not possible right now.
It's not.
Like so, clear logic से वो समझ रहा है.
Yeah, but then again, how is अच्छा right. So okay. I was gonna say कि अगर Intel का highest frequency is 5.3 और Ryzen का is 4.9, how is Ryzen the faster one? But then I realized that the performance matters beyond the frequencies and
हाँ,
the
exactly.
benchmarks. Essentially, the benchmarks compare करके वो लोग ने बोला कि we are the fastest boys. Let's go. That's what they said. So yeah, that's pretty much it. AMD's Ryzen
You know-
3, Zen 3, sorry, Ryzen
हाँ नहीं
Zen
कमिंग बैक टू दिस
Ryzen 5000
प्रोसेसर का भी
Zen.
बात ही चल रहा था
Hmm.
प्रोसेसर का भी बात ही चल रहा था तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि जस्ट लाइक फोन्स डू इट maybe it is already happening. I'm not that updated with
Hmm.
processors and stuff. जैसे phones में होता है कि we have 2 or 3 high power cores and a cup like same या उससे ज़्यादा low power cores. And laptops में they can save a lot of battery these combinations because when you're doing light tasks there is no need to power those high power cores
Yeah.
and you can just have low power cores running and doing all
As
these
far as I know,
small tasks.
that happens. Yeah, that happens only with like the GPU. I don't know if it happens. I don't think it happens with the CPU.
But then ARM के साथ तो वो होने वाला है for sure. ARM CPUs के साथ because ARM is made on that principle कि they'll have
Yeah.
smaller, less,
That's
more efficient,
Yes.
slower
yes,
cores
yeah.
and higher clock speed वाला performance cores.
That's the whole
But yeah,
ideology of
we
ARM.
would love to see what ARM has to offer.
It's gonna be an exciting end of year. Hopefully, let's see. You thought that Apple was done with its quarantine keynotes. It's not. Guys.
Oh, the transitions. Oh my
Yeah.
God. They
Yeah.
at this
Too good.
point, like they know they're the best and they're just flexing at this point.
Yeah. Dude, the HomePod transition.
Oh, it
Too
was this
good.
miniature model, and the camera goes into it, and it becomes
Holy
big house. I don't know.
shit. Holy shit. They built an entire set for it. For the HomePod
exactly.
demonstration. My God. मेरी फट गई देखियो भाई. मतलब it's like टिम कुक भैया खड़े थे उधर बाजू में HomePod, फिर कैमरा घूम के HomePod के बाजू में इतना सा मिनिएचर सेट में से चिंटू सा आदमी चल के आ रहा है और हम लोग से बात कर रहा है. Like what? Optical illusion 101. That was a lot of fun. बहुत मजा.
If you don't watch Apple keynotes, I'd suggest go and watch them बाद में because there's amazing
Just-
pieces of art.
Just watch
And-
them for seriously. Those are art.
हाँ.
They're art. Just watch them
Although
for
it has
inspiration.
a disadvantage because yesterday when we were watching it on, as in the keynotes are shot on really high-end cameras, and then जैसे ही keynote से iPhone footage में जा रहा था ना, you could see it instantly, no matter how much they tried to hide it.
Very
And it's like,
bad.
okay, अभी switch हो गया.
Yeah. You should probably not do that if you want to like promote your product.
हाँ,
But
but
yeah.
still, those keynotes are amazing, and it's like it feels like you're in Apple Park.
Oh man.
The place is called Apple Park, and it feels like you're there with all those transitions and stuff.
I was saying the most unexpected one happened on the roof of the building.
Oh, हाँ.
मैं बोले इसको छत पे चढ़ा दिया ये लोग. Thanks, bye.
I don't know how they shot that. Was the solar panels उसके पैर के नीचे? It would have
I
gotten
have-
so hot उधर.
I have no clue. I'm pretty sure those are not solar panels. Also, yes, I also thought of that. How did they bring the camera to the roof? My God.
Cranes
They're
होते हैं ना,
axes.
cranes या drones.
हाँ, drones से तो नहीं shoot किया. I'm pretty sure
Drones
they-
से shoot करना is so much easier. Cranes लाने से better.
हाँ, but the video quality takes a hit, right? They won't. I'm sure.
अरे
they have-
पागल हो, DJI वगैरह थोड़ी use करता रहेगा. They have, you don't know this.
अरे-
There are these cinema drones.
I know.
And they look like ऐसा killer bots, एकदम बड़ा होते हैं, and you just put the entire red camera उनके ऊपर, like
I know.
MPS की जो red camera use करते हैं, you just put them.
Yeah, but would that's only the smaller one, like the Komodo, I think. You can't
Then
put all the red
you can
cameras.
put पूरा
Are you
red.
sure?
अरे there is this guy called Potato Jet जिसका YouTube videos I watch,
Oh yeah,
and he
I-
does this
I-
amazing cinema camera stuff,
I know.
and he had that drone thing where you just put the camera on it, any big camera I guess. So हाँ, I mean
Nice.
putting a drone up there is easier than putting the crane up there, and camera में थोड़ा tension नहीं है. Like these are cinema guys, come on.
Fair enough. So take care. But regardless of how they shot it, it was very well done.
हाँ भाई वो रूफ पे जाके we're just joking she's gonna do a drop test अभी phone का.
Yeah, and plus they had the view of the whole green Apple Park in the background, so that was a great time for them to announce
Okay,
sorry,
that is why they went
Charger.
up there because they wanted
Yeah.
to show off all that greenery.
Yes, they were like
Yeah.
5 million, 500,000, आधा million, 5 लाख,
half
5
million
Half
cars.
500,000 cars of the street का फायदा हम कर रहे हैं. So they had to announce it with full display of the greenery. That's what they did.